I'm Tiffany Wright, and I'm going to be making scrumptious triple layer peanut butter brownies. Now the recipe calls for 1 package of brownie mix, 1 cup of cold milk, 1 package of Jello vanilla flavored instant pudding and pie filling, 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, a half cup of powdered sugar, 1½ cups of Cool Whip, 3 squares of Baker's semi-sweet baking chocolate, and a half cup of dry roasted peanuts. You can certainly use peanuts, but I used almonds because I like it better. It honestly doesn't make a difference. The first thing you want to do before you start anything is you want to wash your hands, and then you start making up your brownies. Now, I already have mine made up here, but even though it's tempting while you're making the brownies, make sure you don't lick your fingers while you're doing it, and as you're taking them out of the oven, make sure you wear oven mitts, obviously, so you don't burn yourself. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to whisk the milk and pudding for 2 minutes. Now, whisking is just taking or moving in a particular direction suddenly and quickly. So what we're going to do here is you're going to measure out the milk. You need 1 cup. Okay, and now you're going to add this to the pudding. And whisk this so that you can get some air into it. Now the next thing you're going to do here is you're going to measure out your powdered sugar, and the recipe calls for a half cup. You're going to add this in. And mix this together. Okay, now the next thing you're going to add to this is the peanut butter. It went add it a little bit at a time because it is thick. And once you have this all mixed up, as the brownies are cooling, you're just going to add this on top of them. So now you're just going to pour this over the brownies. Okay, now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to microwave your Cool Whip and your Baker's chocolate. Now you're going to microwave this for 1 minute, but at 30 seconds, you're going to stop it and stir it. gonna stir for the first time. Okay. Now that the chocolate is melted, you're just going to stir this all together. And once you have this all mixed together, you're just going to spread it over top of the brownies. Alright, all we're doing here is we're stirring it, which is moving a spoon around in the liquid to mix it. I'm using a fork, but okay. Oh god, that's hot. Okay, and you're just going to spread it over top of it. And the last step is to sprinkle the almonds. And to sprinkle is to scatter small drops over a substance, which would be our brownies, which are baked, which means to cook food by dry heat, not over a flame, usually in an oven. Also, the Cool Whip is whipped, which is to beat quickly and steadily by hand with a whisk or a rotary beater. Alright, so once you have the nuts sprinkled over it, all you're going to do is refrigerate it so you don't get food poisoning, and then you're done. I hope you enjoy.